What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, Santos Custom. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, let's work on the front end. We'll start brazing the top, we'll work on the front end, and we'll see where we reach. So stay tuned, stay focused, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel because there's more to come. So guys, as you can see, the notching still continues with good quality. I was able to notch this thing properly. And now I do my second piece, notch from there. I go straight to the center, flush at the top, so should be good. I'm just gonna go ahead and tack those two in places so it doesn't move, and we'll keep on going. Everything looks good, so enjoy it. What's up, folks? So now I'm just working on the front end, trying to tack, giving some strength to the front end. There's more pieces that will need to go there to the front, so I'll keep working on the front. I'll try to put a camera somewhere so you guys could see. Oh, now we're gonna measure the cross beam that goes there on the top. I measured it. It's 30 and a half inside diameter. And we'll take it from there. So let's go cut some tubes and notch it off and see if it fits. So one side of the tube is currently notched. It looks pretty good. And now I'm being asked, how do I know, like when I have to do the opposite notch, how do I know if it's perfectly straight? One quick trick is you have to ensure that your notcher is straight. You could check this with a simple tool, like the one on my bench over there. And then over here, what I like to do is I put a pipe in the notch straight, and I go with the tool to make sure that the bubble stays in the middle, and like that I know my notch is straight. It's going to be fully straight. If it's not, I just twist the tube for perfectly straight, and then I tied the bolt so that the tube doesn't move, and I'm able to notch on the other side, and it should be good. So let's give it a try. One thing that I like to do personally is once I have my tube in, as you can see, like the notch is like perfect. I like to write on the tube which orientation I placed it in, because maybe if you turn it around, something's not gonna fit exactly the same way if it's fitting right now. So what I like to do is I like to take this over here and I write example front, and over here is on my left side, over here right. So since my tube is already clean, I just have to clean the outside. It's not gonna change anything for me, like everything is already marked. Basically I'm just gonna make one more line over here so I can know approximately where my mill goes on both sides, and I'm gonna clean the inside so it makes a nice clean surface to tack. I'm gonna tack it in place, and then we'll tackle another piece of the buggy. So stay tuned, folks. Okay, so now it's time to work again on the brazing the front end and think about it like how can I mount the upper tables. Initially on the plans, there's a bar that goes from the top to the front, and then you're supposed to have some plate CNC cut that will make like a big chuck tower, and on the side of it there's going to be some loops where the tables will bolt on. What I was thinking was take a tube, for example this one over here that is notched, and just notch it properly and put it like that type of thing. Just give you guys an idea. It's not gonna go there, but it's gonna be like something similar to this. I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna put like one here approximately where this one is the beam, so one here. I'm gonna put another one here, and then I'm just gonna brace those from this to this, this to this, and this to the front. I think by brazing everything together is gonna be like a way stronger front end, and at least I'm gonna strengthen all of it. I'll have spots. I'll be able to mount my lower A-arm here, like I did from the bottom, and here as well. And then on the tubing, it's gonna be over here. I'll be able like to weld on the tab, one over here and the other one approximately over here. So we'll give it a try, and we'll see if that works. So let's keep on working. Here it goes. So both sides are kind of done. They're just hold in place, nothing is stacked. But I kind of like this concept. Adds a lot of strength to the front end, and I'll have some really good mounting points for the suspension. I like it. I did both sides. I just have to clean the tubes, make them ready to tack them in place, and we'll take it from there. So let's get cleaning up, and let's get to it. There goes, folks. So everything is tacked. Nothing is fully welded, but this is gonna be the output. Looks like pretty neat. It is gonna add a lot of strength to the front. So everything is only tacked. That should be good, and I'll try to get this thing up and running, and we'll see what it does after. What's up, folks? Hope you liked the video of today. We finished the top, we brazed the front end, we mock up where the front A-arms will go. We added a lot of strength to the front end of the buggy. There's two pieces that are missing, and I still need to brace everything together, but I want to brace everything together until I'm fully confident that the way that the front end looks is the way that I want it to look. So we'll take it one step at a time. So that's all I have for you guys for today. I know this video I've been talking a lot. I had a lot of questions on Facebook and personal message on Messenger and on YouTube as well. So I tried to answer as much questions as I could during the videos, because I think those videos will help a lot of people. Not everyone has $100,000 laying around to just like buy all the crazy tools that needs to help you do the job faster and in a cleaner way. So we all have to start from the bottom, and this is my intention, is to help people from the bottom build themselves up, and to show you that it's possible to build your dream buggy, and you don't have to have that fancy tool to do such a thing. So just that's all that I have for you guys for today. So if you like those videos, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one. Woo!